This week in Year 1 we have been recapping taking away, or as we sometimes use, subtraction. So first of all, we've been looking how to work out the answer to a simple takeaway by using objects or fingers. So when presented with a sum that looks like this, 8 take away 2 equals, we encourage the children to either use their fingers, or they can collect objects or draw 8 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 2 of them, and they know that they're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've also been looking at how to use a number line to help the children work out the answer to a takeaway sum. So when presented with something like 5 minus 2 equals, the children would use a number line. In this case, I'm just going to draw a very simple number line. So first of all, for this, the children need to know where they are going to start on the number line. So they know that they need to start on the number 5, and they know that they need to jump 2 spaces back, because when we're taking away, we're always going to land on a smaller number. So we're going to start on 5. We're not going to count 5. We're going to count the jumps. 1, 2. So the answer is 3. We've also been working beyond 10, and so we've been using the method called regrouping to work out the answer to slightly trickier takeaway sums. So this is what we would do in these instances. So when presented with a sum such as 18 take away 5 equals, we would first of all be getting the children to use their place value knowledge to split the 18 into its 2 parts. So that's 1 10 and 8 ones. That's step 1. Then as step 2, we will be using the ones. So we would be using the 8, and then we will be taking away the 5, which would leave us then with 3. We've then got to get the children to bring the 10 back. So we were bringing the 10 in, we will be adding on 3, and that would give us the answer 13. 18 take away 5 equals 13. I'll just go through that again. So we'll do a different one. So this time we will do 15 take away 4 equals. First of all, we will split the 15 into its parts. So it's 1 10. And the children have done lots of work on this as well, and 5 ones. That's step 1. Then step 2, we look at the ones. So we first of all, we've got to put the 5 first. 5 take away 4 equals. The children need to remember that they've always got to put the biggest number first in a takeaway. Equals 1. That's step 2. Step 3, we need to bring the 10 back in. So that's 10. Add the 1 equals 11. 15 take away 4 equals 11. This might seem a little bit tricky at the moment, but this method will really help the children when they move on to do even bigger numbers soon.